Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make my brows. So let's get started. Here I have a Safoli brush. Just comb my brow hairs with this fully. And I have this brow pomade that is from Anastasia in a chocolate brown color. Here I'm going to use the flat brush to apply this one. So start with the arc and fill your brow with this Anastasia chocolate brown pomade. I'm just going to do my other one. Fill this with the same pomade. You just need to fill your brows, not to draw it. If you have thin brows, then you need to draw it. If you want to check this, then take a brush and put on your middle and see these are equal. Then take again the Safoli brush and comb. I need to spread all the product on the brows, so just comb them. If you need the longer one, then here I'm going to use the Kohl pencil black. Now I'm going to use the natural color concealer to clean my brows from the downside. So I'm just doing this one. Here I have the damp beauty blender. You can use a smaller one and just tap this one, my concealer, on the brows to just clean my brows and give a good finish. So you can see the brows are done. Woohoo!